guys, here's my 2015 Lasko WeatherShield Plus 20-inch box fan with the thermostat. And I have this here, but I got it at Walmart. It's 25 bucks, and I said, if I'm not going to buy this and not make a video, I'm going to regret it. And you might see my dog come in the frame. There he is. Get out of the way. Come on. Alright, sorry about that. My dog's nosy. Go! Get out of the way! Oh no. Anyways, back to the fan. Anyways, yeah, I got this at 25 bucks. Walmart. Said, I guess this might be better, because the WeatherShield are better than their 3733s. They're premium box fans. Anyways, it's got the blue fuse plug. And you might notice the thing is whole black, and except for the back grill. Right, here's the story. When I first got it, I opened up the box, and the whole back grill was cracked in like several different places. So I decided, well, I'm gonna have to replace the back, and blah blah blah. So I eventually did, and I decided to take off a equally the same 2008 WeatherShield box fan, which is long gone. Parts now. So anyways, back to the fan. It's got the thermostat, fancy controls, I guess. And the knob styles are similar to the older, like the very first models of the trying to think, like the older style, like the first version of the Lasko thermostats. Like, anyways, start the fan on high. Medium, and then low. Like the high, and see the little thing right there, fancy controls, whatever. Here's the back. This has a pretty good spin down, I guess. Here's the back. Got the blue feet. And the reason I'm putting it so far back is I'm using my computer's camera, which is complete crap. Anyways, thermostat control, I like to mess around with them, though I never use it. But anyways, here's high on the rear. It blows a decent amount of air for its quality, I guess. There's medium and low. High. Turn it off. Here's high. Turn it off. You can see the grill's a bit yellow because the older WeatherShield has been used since I bought it. Here's the front again. It's got the new Lasko sign on the front. But anyways, that is my Lasko WeatherShield box fan. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in again. Next video. Adios. I had to do it.